The base of a solid S is the region of the plane bounded by the parabolas f of x equals x squared minus 3 and g of x equals 5 minus x squared. Find the volume using semicircle cross-sections that are perpendicular to the x-axis. So the first step is we're going to draw this. So we have our x squared minus 3. It's going to be about right there. Sorry for the bad drawing. And we have 5 minus x squared, which is right here. So we want to find the volume of this region right here. And we're going to use semicircles that are perpendicular to the x-axis to find this. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is find the height of the semicircle. So what we're going to do is we're going to find upper function and subtract it by the lower function. So the upper function was 5 minus x squared minus x squared minus 3, which equals 8 minus 2x squared. Now we're going to find the area of each of those cross sections, so we can use that in the integral. So the area will be, since it's semicircles, it will be pi over 8 times our height, which is 8 minus 2x squared squared. And that would equal pi over 8 times 64 minus 32 x squared plus 4x to the 4th. Now we're going to make our integral, which will give us our volume. Now to find that, we need to find what our interval is. And what we will do is we set x squared minus 3 equal to 5 minus x squared. We get squared minus 3 equals 5, 2x squared equals 8, squared equals 4, x equals plus or minus the square root of 4, which means x equals plus or minus 2. So those are our upper and lower limits. So we're going to put pi over 8 over here just to make life easier. The integral from negative 2 to 2 of 4x to the 4th minus 32x squared plus 64 d of x. To solve this, we need to find the antiderivative. So that's going to be 4x to the 5th over 5 minus 32x to the 3rd over 3 plus 64x from negative 2 to 2. Now what we can do is we can find it from 0 to 2 and multiply by 2 since it is symmetric along the y-axis. So when we plug in 2, we have 4 times 2 to the 5th over 5 minus 32 is 2 to the 3rd over 3 plus 64 times 2. We do that, we have 4 times 64, just kidding, 32 over 5 minus 32 times 8 over 3 plus 128. Now, when we simplify that even more, 32 times 4, 128 over 5 minus 256 over 8 plus 128. And if you add and subtract all that, that will give you the volume of the region using semicircle cross sections of these functions.